What if I told you there was a better way to search online and earn money while doing it? Wouldn't you be interested? Well, let's learn how. So when you want to search online, the most common search engine is Google. So normally you type that into the address bar and then you would go and do a search. But maybe you wanted to go to eBay, so you would search for that. You would get the link to the eBay site, then you would do your search. Now that's a lot of steps, but what if I told you there was an easier way? Well, welcome to Presearch. You only need to really know one website. It's presearch.org, and you can easily make that your default homepage. So how does Presearch work? Well, just like any other search engine, you type in what you are looking for, and then you can decide where you do the search. You can search on Google, or perhaps I wanted to find something on Etsy. Or if I wanted to do eBay, well, I would have to set that up first. So let's see how that's done. If we just click on Customize, here's a list of search engine providers we can use. So let's go down and find eBay. Now we just have to click on that and it takes it back up to our search bar at the top. Now we want it to be one of the first ones we see, so we just drag that across like that and we go back to our home page now. So as you can see, eBay now appears as a pre-search. So if we go and do that search again, we can go ahead and click on Google or Etsy, but maybe we just want to check out eBay. And it's that simple. But what you might not have noticed, I'm actually earning some pre-tokens. Now, what are pre-tokens? Well, pre-tokens are a blockchain token designed specifically for this pre-search engine. And those tokens have value. If we have a quick look at the coin market cap for Presearch tokens, we can see over the last month the price has ranged from a high of around 11 cents down to its current price, which is around 10 cents. So every pre-token you own is worth 10 cents. Now this price could fluctuate over time, but it doesn't cost anything to use Presearch, so you might as well be collecting the tokens along the way. I think this is an awesome idea for a search engine, and it saves you having to go to Google to search for the site, then go on the site and click search. You can go ahead and just search the real common websites that you use, even YouTube, and find your best online creators quickly. So go ahead and use presearch.org. It's a great way to search online, and I'm going to start using it every day. It's actually now my homepage because it's a quick way to get around the internet. Now, you can only earn a maximum of 8 Presearch tokens per day, so that equates to around 32 searches per day. But in a normal day, you probably do search the internet quite a bit. Now, when you want to redeem the tokens, because this is still in its beta stage, they have a fairly high withdrawal threshold of 1,000 pre-tokens. So that might decrease over time, but as they say, they'll let you know in an email when that limit comes down. So in the meantime, just keep searching online and keep building up your pre-search tokens. It's another great way to earn money online, especially if you want to have a little dabble in the crypto space. The account setup only requires an email address, so there's no other identification checks either. Anyone worldwide can use Presearch. Now, I don't know how long they're going to be giving out these Presearch tokens for, so you want to get on board fairly quickly. Oh, and there's one other thing. You can actually refer a friend as well. I'll put my referral link down below if you wanted to join up. And eligible referrals get a 25 token bonus. However, those referrals need to have earned 100 search rewards themselves and have been active for at least 60 days. But it's all going to add up over time. So go ahead, click on my link, join Presearch, and then start sharing it with your friends. And don't forget to make it your homepage, because you can literally pre-search anything. So that's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe, and bye for now.